What's going on, everybody? This is Evan with the Naturally Inclined YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to launch your boat off of the trailer and how to retrieve it when you're done fishing or boating. Pulling up to the ramp now. Right over there. This is your boat plug. If you don't plug this in, your boat is going to sink. This is where mine goes. So I plug it in, make sure it's tight. Then you're gonna undo your straps. One here, then another one here, then another one here. Put it over here in your boat. Trim your engine up. Just pull this off a little bit. Grab your straps and just put them in the back of your car. Emergency hook. Take the emergency hook off. And give this a little slack here. You might have to snap it. Thread it through nicely. It can float back a little bit, but not too much. Inspect the ramp. Make sure there's no debris or anything floating here that will mess your boat up. Nice and slow. Use your reverse cam on your car if you have it. Keep your windows open so you can hear everything. When you hear that noise, that means your boat is floating. At this point, I like to test everything to make sure it's running. So I'm going to put the engine in the water. Turn on my electronics down here. Hit the MOB switch. Start it up. Sounds good. Now I gotta undo this hook. Back up slowly. And park it. Nice. Check the ropes. And then pull your trailer out. Now we're boating. Now we're coming back. The ramp is right over there. The ramp's here. I'm gonna pull up to the side, park my boat. Here we go. Just inch close, little by little, slowly. Little by little. I don't want to approach it too fast. Pull it over here. Back the trailer up slowly. Take this rope off. Hop on. Make sure I can get out of here. Start the boat. Take this rope off. I'm gonna push off the wall as much as possible. All right, now I want to try to hit my trailer as straight as possible. In order to do so, helps if I back up. Go nice and slow. I went to the right a little bit. Come up here and attach the hook. And straighten your boat up. You shouldn't need to do this if you went straight. Put the strap on here on the left, then on the right. Put the transom saver in. Put your engine down. Put this strap on. Looks good. This protects the transom, the back of the boat, when you're moving on the trailer. Put the emergency hook in. One last check, look around. It's ready to go. And that's it. That's how you launch and retrieve your boat. Well, I'll see you next time.